welcome to Dr. Dee Dee's Discover Science. Woo! What's that sound? An airplane! Whoa, and another airplane! Wow, airplanes are so cool, aren't they? Have you ever ridden an airplane? Oh, what? Oh, our little car friends want to fly like an airplane too. Oh, yeah, but you have no wings and you guys have wheels. So, you can drive, but you can't fly. How can we help them fly? Discover Science. Today's materials: some tape, styrofoam paper, a board ring, and oily pens. Have you ever made a paper airplane? Yeah, we fold it up and then whew, works pretty good, right? Today, we're not going to make a paper airplane. We're going to make a ring airplane. So look at our materials. We have this, feels like styrofoam paper, okay? And we've got this cardboard ring, some tape, and some markers. This is going to be our plane, but it looks a little boring, right? So let's decorate it first. Use your crayons or markers, whatever you want. Let's see, I'm going to make... Okay, ready? Da-da-da-da! Ta-da! What do you think? Do you like my decoration? Discover Science with Dr. Dee Dee. Okay, so did you decorate yours? Yes, beautiful! All right, take your ring and we're going to put this around the ring. Watch carefully. We're going to take one side and then we're going to wrap it around like this, okay? And we're going to use our tape to keep it in place. So let me just, 1 and 2. Okay. Line it up to the ring and tape it. Perfect. All right, and then this way. And then at the end, what do you think? Okay. Another piece of tape. Ta-da! Looks pretty nice, right? Looks like Dr. Dee Dee crown. Thank you. Welcome to my castle.
Nope.
Watch. All right, now I'm going to throw this. Don't be alarmed. Here we go. Whoa! Did you see that? It went... Here, throw it here, throw it here. Whoa! Wow! That's amazing! It goes so far. Whoa! Throw it here, throw it here. Okay, I'm ready. Whoa! Did you see that? That's amazing. Warning, I think we should take this outside and play with it. Inside, it could be a little dangerous if you hit somebody or something and knock something over, okay? Oh, success! We have a ring airplane. Think why. Now, our ring airplane flew very, very well. I was very impressed. So, but let's think about why it flies. How does the ring airplane fly? When we fly the airplane, the air that moves inside and through our ring airplane moves faster and faster. But the air outside our airplane moves slower and slower than the faster air inside. And that is what keeps our airplane flying. And this is also called inertia. Inertia is the energy that keeps the plane up in the air and prevents it from dropping. Okay, everyone, have fun with your planes.